up guys, good morning and welcome back to a brand new video. Sorry for the lights, I'm in the car because I'm up early to train with the Dutch national team, which are the best parkour athletes in the Netherlands. And today I'm taking you guys with me to see how this training goes. So yeah, let's go. Okay, they gave me a challenge to do this wall run climb up without bending my knees. So I can't do this. My knees need to be straight. Let's see if it's doable. Okay, the official team training has finished. I want to do a different technique on double side because normally I'm tucking under and I bruised my heel with this technique, so I'm going to see if tucking over will help me land more straight so I can't bruise my heel. Let's see what I can do. Okay guys, as you could see, if I do the under tuck, my double side flip is way faster, way higher and much cleaner. I wanted to try if I could land up more straight because I bruised my heel in Bulgaria last year with a double side. So I was trying to find out if over tuck would help me land up straighter. I came to the conclusion that this is not working. Doing the over tuck makes the double side flip even more sketchy for me because I'm going into a backflip. And that's not what I want. So the only solution is train double side flip with under tuck even more so I can do it to hard ground. Easy. So yeah, let's get going.
Jawel, dames en heren. Yes, people, ladies and gentlemen. Puntje pizza. Bang it. Boom.
Let's go.
Boom.
Die was steady.
Steady.
Oh, what? Okay, I'm about to do my first double cheat gainer.
I think so.
Yeah, double cheat gainer. Never done this one. So I double back first, and then after this one, perhaps for the double cheat gainer.
Or
Let's
J
go.
step gainer.
Or J-step double gainer. Whatever you want to call it.
Lekker.
1, 2.
Als je dat daar doet.
Kan het doen, kom maar. You can do this.
Okay, not every session is a very good session, but I did a new double flip, so that's sick. I did some new wall combos and I did some float lines to come up with even more connections for the upcoming competitions. So yeah, proper session. But on the double flips, I need to work some more. The only double flip I can do is double side, and this one is getting comfy. But yeah, swing full in from last week, insert clip.
Let's go. Woohoo!
And J-step double gainer from this week. I have no idea where in the air I am, so I need to work on my air awareness with double flips, especially in back flips. So yeah, not every session is a very good session, but trust the process. So yeah, let's go.